In a time where the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget exposed to light beams. Spinballs also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinner's iOS and Android.
Are you still shooting unsteady videos with your phone? Capture smooth and steady cinematic videos at a breeze with ReGiet. Simply slide in your phone or GoPro and turn it on, and all the creation is at your fingertips. For many stabilizers, it is impossible to record videos using the underslung position without rotating to portrait mode. ReGiet is the only stabilizer that can continue to record the video in this position. With its easy-to-use control panel, you can easily switch between photos and video mode, front and rear camera, and zoom in and out. ReGiet can also charge your phone, or even better, plug a power bank so you can charge ReGiet and your phone simultaneously, so that you can use our app to live stream all day. Within the ReGiet app, we've built an auto track function. Simply drag any object on the screen and ReGiet will take over. Create amazing slow motion and time-lapse videos. Shoot amazing panorama photos with ReGiet. With a total of 3 different panorama modes, you can even shoot better photos than any other stabilizer you had. ReGiet is the most advanced stabilizer to capture your life.
Time is fleeting. Wasting time on mounting the phone back and forth on a loose car cradle would be your nightmare. Meet Voltron, the first truly blazing fast wireless charging mount. The one-handed operation lets you stay away from inconvenience. It's really just that effortless. Set and charge, take and go. Thanks to its semi-enclosed frame, together with the elastic backplane structure, even on the bumpiest road, your phone will be steady like a rock. With the newest key fast charge technology, your phone's charging speed will never fall behind the battery consumption while navigating your way. Once arrived, Voltron would alert you when the car turns off. You will never forget the phone again. The replaceable modular design allows the best personality to be added to the car that maximally enhances your driving experience. The fast can't wait. Speed it up with Voltron today.
Hello there.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm excellent. What are some of the ways that you fidget?
Okay. So it's a lot of ways. It depends on what's going on.
I mess with my hands a lot.
I do lots of little snapping.
Just kind of like that.
Even though I don't need to fix my hair, it's like one of those things like, you know.
But I'm not trying to be stylish. I'm just fidgeting.
I'll catch myself doing it.
It's different than the other fidget spinners I've seen.
It's hard to describe.
A heavier bottle opener, maybe?
Oh, it's kind of like a spinner and a cube or something?
This is actually really cool. It's easier to balance, just like a spinner, and then it's got some things of a fidget cube.
I wonder what these tabs are for.
I don't know. This is very strange.
And it makes a nice sound. Like,
The clicking helps. If that was to like get some tension out.
kind of like a stress ball.
Oh, you can do it like that. Oh, there we go.
Oh, like this. Ah.
That brings me like so much simple pleasure. I don't know why.
I didn't think I needed something like this, but now that I've been using it, I could see this being really useful.
Like where do you see yourself using it?
Definitely in class.
Everywhere.
You know, if somebody has trouble paying attention and would fidget in another way.
If I'm fidgeting other ways, people would really see. Here it's a secret.